Welcome to class today. In today's module, that's module 9, we'll be looking at sales forecasting and pipeline management. Sales forecasting and pipeline management. Module content: Introduction to sales forecasting and pipeline management, the link between pipeline management and forecasting, benefit of combined practices, benefit of sales forecast and pipeline management combined practices, forecasting methodologies and accuracy improvement, forecasting methodologies itself, strategies for improving accuracy, common pitfalls to avoid. Introduction to sales forecasting and pipeline management. Sales forecasting involves predicting future revenue, while pipeline management is the process of tracking and moving sales opportunities through the various stages of the sales cycle. So, sales forecasting involves predicting future revenue, where revenue can be generated and benefits can be made, while pipeline management is the process of tracking and moving sales opportunities through the various stages of sales cycle. Effective sales pipeline management is crucial for accurate forecasting, as it provides the operational data needed to build realistic sales projections. Together, these practices help sales teams set achievable goals, allocate resources effectively, and ultimately drive revenue growth. So sales forecasting and management, the combination ensures that there is that the sales team sets achievable goals and allocates resources effectively, that if resources are efficiently and effectively utilized, and ultimately drive revenue growth, which is very essential for every organization. Sales pipeline management, let's look at what it is. It is the process of overseeing and tracking potential customers' opportunities as they progress through the different stages of the sales process. Purpose: to create a plan, prioritize sales opportunity, and ensure that every stage of the buyer's journey is managed efficiently to move the deals forward. So it is essential. This sales pipeline management is essential. It is important, or the purpose is one of its purposes to create plan, to prioritize sales opportunities, and ensure that every stage of the buyer's journey is managed efficiently to move this forward. Key elements are defining sales stages, that is prospecting, proposals, negotiation, tracking activities, and using customer relationship management system, that is CRM system, to monitor progress and evaluate effectiveness. So I want to look at sales forecasting. So what it is. Sales forecasting is the estimation of future revenue over a specific period. The estimation of future revenue over a specific period of time. The purpose of sales forecasting is to estimate future sales, enabling business to set realistic goals, make informed strategic decisions, and allocate resources effectively. So the importance or the essence of sales forecasting is to anticipate future sales. So forecasting means future, being futuristic, enabling businesses to set realistic goals, make informed strategic decisions, and allocate resources effectively. How it works, how does sales forecasting work? It involves pipeline forecasting, where the total value of all active opportunity is multiplied by their probability of closing based on their stage and other factors. The link between pipeline management and forecasting. The foundation: an accurate and well managed sales pipeline provides necessary data and insight for an accurate sales forecasting. So it provides a well managed, provides an accurate and a well managed sales pipeline. Data driven, using historical data and customer relation management information to move deals through the pipeline creates a data driven approach to forecasting, leading to more reliable predictions. Synergy, while pipeline management focus on the present opportunities and daily activities, forecasting focuses on using that information to predict future outcomes. So for pipeline management focus on present while forecasting is being futuristic. It uses information to predict future outcomes. So we want to look at benefit of combined practice, that is benefit of sales forecasting and combined benefit of combined practices of sales forecasting and pipeline management. We have increased revenue predictability. Businesses can better understand and predict their future sales performance. We have improved sales efficiencies. Sales team become more productive by focusing effort on the right opportunities. Strategic planning, accurate forecast enable better resource allocation and strategic alignment for the entire sales organization. So benefits of combined practices are increased revenue predictability, improved sales efficiency and strategic planning. Forecasting methodologies and accuracy improvement. Forecasting is crucial for decision making across businesses, economics, weather and many other fields. Here is an overview of key methodology and strategies for improving accuracy. We have forecasting methodologies. In forecasting methodologies, we have qualitative method. In qualitative method, we have the Dolphin method, the market research and scenario planning. The Dolphin method, experts provide anonymous forecast through multiple rounds until consensus emerges, while market research survey focus groups and expert judgment. Scenario plan, developing multiple plausible future. Forecasting methodologies deals with time series method, that is moving averages, smooth data by averaging recent observation, exponential smoothing, weight recent data more heavily, includes variance like root winners for trade and seasonality. ARIMA models, autoregressive integrated moving average, captures trends, seasonality and autocorrelation. Seasonal decomposition separates trend, seasonal and irregular components and best for regular patterns, sufficient historical data. Causal and explanatory methods, regression analysis, economic models and machine learning. These regression analysis models relationship between dependent and independent variables, while econometric methods models complex system of equation for economic forecasting. Machine learning, neutral networks, random forest gradient boosting. Also all these are best for when you understand causal relationship or average future data. So strategies for improving accuracy, we have data quality enhancement, which are the data have to be clean and validate historical data, handle outliers appropriately, ensure consistent measurement method, address missing values systematically. We have model selection and combination, test multiple models and compare performances, use assemble methods combining multiple forecasts, apply the right model complexity for your data value. Now consider forecast horizons, that is short versus long term. We have regular validation and monitoring, use out of sample testing, that is handout validation, and implement rolling forecast. We also have incorporate external factors like add relevant leading indicators, account for non-future events, consider economic cycles and market constitution, and include domain expertise. Error matches and evaluation, that is MAE, that is mean absolute error, average absolute difference, the root mean square error, RMSE, penalizes larger error more. Then we have the map, mean absolute percentage error, percentage based measure, then tracking signal, monitors bias over time. Advanced techniques, use cross-validation for parameter tuning, apply feature engineering for ML models, implement hierarchical forecasting for related sets, and consider probabilistic probabilistic forecasting for uncertainty quality. Common pitfalls to avoid: over relying on single methods, ignoring structural breaks in data, fitting models too closely to historical noise, neglecting to update forecasts regularly, using inappropriate accuracy metrics, and failing to document assumptions. Thank you for listening.